Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to install virtual environment on Linux. So first of all we need to go into terminal, so I'll press on show apps and open the terminal. And the most important thing that you need to do is to make sure that your Python is installed, because it is required in order to our virtual environment to be working. So Python 3 -- version. As you can see, for me it is installed. On Ubuntu, Python is installed by default, but if you don't have it, or you are using the different Linux distribution, you can go to the video how to install Python. I recorded this video and you can watch it. And right now, how do we install virtual environment? We can use the command like this: sudo apt install, and right there Python 3, that's why we need Python to be installed, and virtualenv. We can press enter. We have to type in our password, and as you can see, our installation is starting. Do you want to continue? We have to press yes, and now the only thing you can do is to wait. So it should not take a long time. So as you can see, it is finished. You can clear that. And right now, how can we check if our installation is successful? We can type in virtualenv version. As you can see, it is working. And maybe I will show you how to create a simple virtual environment by using this. So we can do something like this: virtual environment, and the name of our virtual environment. So for example, like this. I will press enter. As you can see, our virtual environment has been created in a home test and venv. As you can see, I can list that, and I have it right there. And right now we have to activate that. How can we activate that? We can activate that by typing in the source command. So source, and right now we are in the home directory, so we can have to start it like this. Then the name of our folder venv /bin/activate, and right now we can press enter. As you can see, we have it on the left of our username, so it is working. How can we deactivate that? We can basically type in deactivate. As you can see, it disappeared, so it worked. And that's basically how you can install the Python virtual environment on Linux. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.